Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. We are in downtown historic Senoia or Senoia, depending on if you're from here, today to fix a dent on a Dodge Challenger, actually two dents that were kicked in by somebody. One of the really cool things about Senoia is it's one of the main filming locations for the show The Walking Dead. What you're looking at there is a series of apartments and houses that they built in Senoia, and they put a wall around it, and it's actually Alexandria in the show. We've got a lot of little local businesses around here. It's a nice little town, and we are standing right in front of the Walking Dead Cafe. So we're gonna go in here and get something for lunch, and then we're gonna get started on this Dodge Challenger. I'll take you over and show you the damage, and then when we're done, you'll be able to see the customer's reaction to his repair. So unfortunately, while the customer was at work, somebody decided to walk up and vandalize their car. They kicked it twice on the body line, and you can see how much metal's distorted. Not only is it dented above and below the body line, but it actually caused the metal to knot up and create these big crowns above and below the main impact point of the dent. So we're actually going to remove the taillight to go in to the back side of the panel here. So if you've never removed a Challenger taillight, they're fairly simple. You just remove that piece on the top that you just saw. It just pops right out, and then you have these wing nuts on the back inside the trunk. You'd remove the first one, which is on top of the fabric. When you move the fabric back, there'll be one more, and they're fairly easy to twist off. They're not on there too tight. So you'll remove both of those, and then the taillight just comes out really easily. I mean, you just have to grab it and just pull, and no tugging at all. The next thing you'll want to do is remove the wiring harness. If you ever have to replace one of these lights, you just push the little red tab to the left, and then the wiring harness just slides right off. So once we get all that removed, there's going to be a big hole there that we're going to take our Paintless Dent Repair tools through and gain access to the back side of the metal. So before we begin actually shaping the dent out from the inside, we have to take care of those buckles. So we're actually blending those back down right now, and then we're going to start moving some of the metal with glue pulling first before we ever put a tool inside the panel to start shaping it out. We want to actually get this metal moving in the right direction, and for this particular repair, glue pulling was definitely the way to go. So now that we've got a majority of the dent pulled out with glue pulling, we're actually going to take a tool and go through that taillight opening and start manually shaping the dent back out from the inside. So if you look at the dent right now, you can actually see that I'm blending down the little high spots and moving the metal with that tool on the back side of the panel, using that light as a reflection, and basically reshaping this metal back out until you get it to this point. Now, so far we've repaired one of the two dents, and we're kind of panning back and forth, and we're basically going to duplicate the process again for the second dent. If you'd like to get in touch with us about scheduling your dent repair, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004, or you can send us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com. You can send us photos of your damage that way, or you can text them to that previous phone number. You can also visit our website at dentrepairgeorgia.com, where you can view before and after photos and videos of our repairs, as well as fill out an online form to get the ball rolling on your dent repair.
Oh wow. Man, it looks like you got it all. Man, that's like it was. I'm struggling to find it.
Well, that's the idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just able to pull the tail light and go in through there and did a little bit of glue pulling to get the bulk of it out, and then put a tool on it through the tail light and got the rest of it that way.
Yeah, shoot you up. I'm gonna put you on speed dial.
Sweet. Well, I appreciate it.
Definitely, definitely.